Today I'm going to show you how we can calculate the value of trigonometric functions without using calculator. To find the value of trigonometric functions, all you need is your hand. Yes, your hand. It is that simple. The first step you have to follow is to assign angles to each of these fingers. So you have to assign 0 degree to your little finger, 30 degree to your ring finger, 45 degree to your middle finger, 60 degree to your index finger, and 90 degree to your thumb. The next step is to assign numbers to each of your finger. At first assign 0 to your little finger, 1 to your ring finger, 2 to your middle finger, 3 to your index finger, and 4 to your thumb. Now we will assign the same values to these fingers but in reverse order. We will assign 0 to thumb, 1 to your index, 2 to your middle finger, 3 to your little finger, 3 to your ring finger, and 4 to your little finger. Now we will use a simple formula to calculate the value of these trigonometric function. The formula is square root n divided by 2. Here n represents the numbers which you have assigned on each fingers. To calculate the value of sine function, we will use the values which are written in purple color, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say we want to calculate the value of sine 30. All we have to do, we have to put that value in our formula. Square root n divided by 2. Square root n is equal to 1, so the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. It is that simple. Now let's say you want to calculate the value of sine 60. What we have to do? Again, we will repeat the same procedure. We'll put that value in a formula. So the value of sine 60 is square root 3 by 2. Now, to find the values of cos function, we will repeat the same procedure but with different values. The values for cos functions are in order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's say we want to calculate the value of cos 30. We will repeat the same procedure. We will put 3 in a formula. So the value of cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So now let's find the value of cos 0. The value for cos 0 is 4. Square root 4 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2. So the value of cos 0 is 1. You might be wondering how we will calculate the value of tan function. So we'll use the formula that is tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So let's say we want to calculate the value of tan 30. Our formula will become tan 30 is equal to sine 30 divided by cos 30. We will put the value of sine 30 and cos 30. The value of sine 30 we have already calculated. It was 1 by 2. And the value of cos 30, it was under 3 by 2. Now let's simplify. It will be, you can write this as 1 by 2 multiplied 2 by under root 3. 2 will eliminate 2. The answer is 1 by square root 3. So today we have understand how we can calculate the value of trigonometric functions without using calculator, by simply using our hand. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.